The sensor in the Prime Fresh compartment of Panasonic's new refrigerators ensures a steady temperature of approximately -3 degrees Celsius. This temperature quickly puts ingredients in a partially frozen state to help prevent oxidation and keep precious foods deliciously fresh. Since foods stay fresh and are easy to slice, you can prepare a delicious meal quickly. The design of the fully extending drawers makes them extremely easy to use. They extend 100% outside the refrigerator, making it easy to see and reach all of their contents. And the rails of the drawers feature special bearings developed by Panasonic that give them the capacity to handle heavy loads. Even when completely full, the vegetable and freezer compartment drawers are easy to push and pull with one hand. This refrigerator features 5 different advanced sensors. The storage sensor measures light to determine the volume of food in the refrigerator and use electricity efficiently. The refrigerator adapts to the lifestyle of the user to save electricity automatically. The door of the refrigerator glistens like polished obsidian, harmonizing beautifully with any interior. Fresh food and fresh-looking design. Enjoy delicious meals every day.